everyone, welcome to Machine Tip Tuesday. I'm McKaylee and I'm here with Barb, and we're going to show you today this new thing we have at the shop called Embroidery Buddies. Cute. So what's
so cute?
It's so cute. Look at the moose.
They're so cute. Okay, you got a lion back here. You got the raccoon.
Oh my gosh. We got a little teddy bear here.
Do we have it? Where's the teddy bear?
And then we have this cute pig.
Oh, you have to see the back of the pig. Look at that.
Oh, and look at its tail. And there's also these like puppet things.
Hand me down. You got it on?
Yeah. Well, I'm not a very good puppet, but
well, isn't that cute though?
It's so cute.
Look how
oh, Barb.
fun that would be. So there you go.
Oh, Barb. These are awesome.
And then, why do they call the Embroidery Buddies? Okay. Because look what you can do. You got all these cute stuffed animals. You're welcome. But I'm going to unzip his bottom. And this pops out. There's your pillow. All done. It even tells you which way the front is.
Isn't that cute?
And then you can put it on your embroidery machine. Hoop that up and stitch that down. Is that so cute?
Cute
what
gift
little
ideas.
Kid wouldn't love this?
Oh my gosh.
I love it.
I want one. And
yeah, you
I'm
do.
not a little kid.
And even these, you can embroider their name across there. Would that be so fun?
Oh, they're darling.
Pink and blue, lions and moose and raccoon and pig, and this is another one. And then the bear.
Cute.
They're really the rage right now.
They are so cute.
They are so fun. So come in and get yours before they're gone.
Amen. So many fun things you can do with your embroidery machine. Oh my gosh. Awesome. Thanks, girlfriends.
Do you have any questions?
Let's see. Do I have any questions?
Do you have any questions? This guy doesn't want to sit up. He's tired.
I don't think I have any questions.
Okay. Then come on in.
Bye, girlfriend.